Hi guys, this is Teacher Jonna and today we're going to have pronunciation drill with my son. Alright, so today what we're going to talk about is what we call the fricatives, the soft TH and the hard TH. Okay, this is not very common for Korean. This is not very common for Filipino language. Okay, because normally they use the T sound or the D sound instead of the TH sound. So TH sound has actually two types of TH sound. We do have what we call the soft TH. Okay, this is soft TH.
I don't know that. I'm still grade 1.
Alright, and the soft TH, the IPA symbol for the soft TH is like this. So when you look at the dictionary, you can see this kind of symbol that it means soft TH. Now, what is soft TH?
I don't know. I'm still grade 1.
I thought you were going to join me this video. The soft TH sound is all you need to do is to put your tongue in the upper and lower teeth like this. And do like this. That is soft TH. Come on, do it. We're having a video. I'm going to be posting this one. Make it clear. Go. Very hard for him, right?
I'm still grade 1. I'm
Stop.
still grade 1,
Okay.
Nanay.
Alright, so
I'm still grade
one
1.
example of the soft TH is actually, let's have this word. This is this word. Okay.
Thin.
Alright,
Thin.
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 Th, th,
Thin.
thin. Okay, so this word is an example with soft TH. Now let's talk about the second type of TH sound, and that's what we call the
Hard TH.
hard TH. Okay, let me just write it down here.
Why can't you just
Hard
write it
TH
in the
like this,
book?
and the IPA symbol for that is like this. Okay, this is the hard TH. So when you see this kind of symbol, whenever you look at the dictionary, it has the hard TH. And what's the sound of hard TH?
I don't know. I'm still grade 1.
The sound of the hard TH is the. Still the same thing with the position. You have to put
man.
your tongue in
The.
the middle of the upper
The.
and lower teeth and the.
The.
Alright.
The example.
So for example,
The.
huh?
The.
Spell it. Okay. Example is the word the. Okay? The. Alright? The.
Sorry.
So actually the has also two types of way to be pronounced. It can be the and the. Do you know the difference when to say the and when to say the?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes. Okay, this is the actual thing. The.
No. If ever we're going to stop the video, it's gonna be okay. Right now, it's in a mirror thing. You don't need to write it down that way. It's gonna be okay later. Okay. So the. Okay. Sometimes you can hear that. Oh, it's the. Oh, it's the. Okay. So both of them, they have the hard TH, but the thing is, it has something to do with the next word after the, or after the article the or the. Okay? So normally when we say the word after the should have the consonant sound. Like the boy, the toy, the mom, the dad. Okay? The dad. But if the word after this article is having a vowel sound, it should be the apple, the elephant. So anyway, it still has the hard TH, and this is the IPA symbol for the hard TH. Okay, let's try to check it out. Okay, so right now I'm going to test you if the word I'm going to be writing
Help
has
me.
the hard or the soft TH. Okay, let's try it. Come on.
My slippers.
So we do have this word. I'm going to show you first. Okay. So this is the word. Can you read this?
There.
There. So what do you think? Is it the
Hard.
soft TH
Hard.
or
Hard.
hard TH? Yeah. So hard TH, if we're going to write it down like this. So this is the hard TH. There. Okay, very good. Let's have the second word. How about this one? We have the word.
I don't know.
Okay. How about this word? Okay.
Thick.
Can you read it? Huh?
So.
What is this?
Thick.
Thick. Okay, so it should have
Soft.
soft TH. Okay, so again, the IPA symbol for the soft TH should be this way. And that's how you're going to read this word with the soft TH. Thick. Okay, how about you? Can you give me another example of hard TH? Hard TH. Come on, hard TH.
Southern West.
Huh? Southern?
West.
Okay, can you write southern? Can you write down the word southern?
My slipper.
Huh? Southern. Yeah, southern. Okay. Normally, to
Southern
us, we
West.
actually pronounce the word southern. 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 Okay, that's the Filipino accent. Southern Tagalog. You say like that, but it's actually southern. Okay. So let's just wait. No need for the west, anak. Just southern lang.
Oh, okay.
That's gonna be okay. So we're gonna wait for my son on writing the word southern. Are you sure with this? Southern. There's something missing here. What do you think is something missing here? Right? Southern, it has a root word south. But of course, when you add like prefix, something
This one?
like that, we don't need to pronounce it as southern. So this gonna be the spelling of southern. So what is this? Is it hard or soft TH?
You told me to do an example of hard TH.
Very good. So this is hard TH. So we say southern, not southern. Okay? Yeah. When I was young, I would normally hear southern.
What?
Southern. Okay, southern. Okay? And how about the soft TH? Can you give us a soft TH? Soft TH. Soft TH.
See?
Okay, write it down. Write the word. Okay, so let's just wait for him to write the word that he suggested for the soft TH sound. Write the spelling na.
I'm also gonna write the example.
Come on. Because they're waiting. You're gonna show it to the camera.
Come on, it's not a couple of people looking. It's just
Okay. So this is the word. What is this again?
thing.
Thing. And it has...
You told me to do
It
the
has-
example of sausage.
It has soft
T.
TH. Alright, so that is thing. So there you go. That's about the fricative, the soft, and hard TH. That's it. Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh.